Hello, children. I once again welcome you back to your EVS classes. We were going through chapter 7, houses, in which we have studied about different types of houses, that is kacha house and pakka house. Then we have studied different types of houses that move on wheels, they are caravans. Then different roofs of a house, that is flat roofs and sloping roofs. And even we have studied about some special houses, that is houseboats, igloos and tree houses. Today we will pick up the topic keeping the house clean. So children, we will study today how we can keep our house clean. We should always keep our house neat and clean. The pictures below show some simple things we do to keep the house clean. Now, children, you can also follow these things or these habits to keep your house clean. Like keep things in place. So, in your home, different places are fixed for different things. You should keep those things in fixed places, like wherever your mama asks you to keep your books after studying, you should keep them there. Then the toys after playing, you should keep them at their proper places. And even after returning from school, you should keep your uniform, school bag, water bottle and shoes at proper places. Now, dust furniture. Like children, you can help your parents, you can help your mother by cleaning furnitures at home, wiping it out with a cloth. Now let in fresh air and light. So we should keep the windows open so that fresh air may enter our house, and even we can have sunlight. Now remove cobwebs. This is also one very important thing which is required in the house to be done to keep our house clean. We should remove cobwebs to keep our house clean. Now keep the kitchen clean. We should always keep our kitchen clean because kitchen is the place in our house where we cook food, and whatever we eat, if it is clean, then we will be healthy. So we should always keep the kitchen clean and throw waste in the dustbin. Get in the habit of throwing all the waste in the dustbin only. Don't throw the waste here and there, even in your room. Like some children are in the habit of throwing pencil pills here and there wherever they are studying. But this is not good. You should throw the pencil pills also in the dustbin. If some rough pages are there, you should throw them in the dustbin instead of throwing them on the floor. Now let's go through summing up, which is there in page number 39. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm, wild animals and thieves and robbers. Number 2, people live in different types of houses. Number 3, kacha houses are made of mud, wood and straw. Number 4, pakka houses are made of cement, bricks, iron and marble. And number 5, caravans, tents, igloos, houseboats and tree houses are some special houses. Now children, there are exercises A and B which I have already sent you the attachment. Today we will discuss those exercises. I hope so. You might have done it in your EVS book. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, a pakka house is made of dash, dash, dash and dash. So you will fill up cement, bricks, iron and marble. A pakka house is made up of all these things. And you know children, kacha houses, they are made up of mud, straw and all. Okay. Now number 2, houses in places with heavy rainfall often have dash roofs. Children, we have studied where it is heavy rainfall or snowfall is there, people generally have sloping roofs. If they will have flat roof, water may get collected over there. So they have sloping roofs. Number 3. Kacha houses are also called dash, and the answer is huts. Huts, huts. Number 4. Houses that float on water are called houseboats. And number 5. We should keep our house neat and clean. Just now we have studied that we should keep our house neat and clean. Now number B. Tick the correct words. Number 1. Houses on wheels are called dash. Options are tents, caravans or huts. We know, children, houses on wheels are called caravans. Now number 2. A kacha house is made of dash. Option A, mud and straw. Number B, glass and bricks. And number C, snow. We know, children, kacha houses are made up of mud and straw. Now number 3. Houses with sloping roofs are found in dash, and the options are plains, hilly areas or dry areas. Now children, we have sloping roofs in hilly areas, so that when snow may fall, they may sweep down, they may not get collected there. Number 4. An igloo is a dash, and the options are house of water, house of sand or house of ice. We have studied, children, igloos are houses which are made up of ice. So number C is the correct answer. Now number 5. A pakka house is made of dash, and the options are bricks and cement, snow and mud and straw. Here children, you know very well, pakka houses are made up of bricks and cements, and if so igloo is the house which is made from snow and mud and straw. So we make kacha houses with the help of mud and straw. So the correct answer is bricks and cement. So children, these exercises you might have done in your book. Learn them up properly. This much for today, children. Next day we will go through question answers. Till then, take care. Thank you.